I was just out here in the garden the last 2 days in my shorts. Ain't that something? Woo-doggy. Some crazy snow. Got a little bit of damage going on up there. Gutter coming down. That windstorm. Huh. Snow. Hey, there's my bulb's coming up right there. They look a little cold. It's alright, the snow insulates. I actually had some mulberry cuttings and stuff over here. As you can tell, they started to sprout. Snow ain't gonna hurt them. A little bit of insulation. But yeah, that was just a stick I stuck in the ground before winter. My raspberries came up too that I did the same with. Looks like my blueberries are looking good up there. This is my mom's mom. For my mom. Yeah. Over there is where my overwintered stuff is. You can't even see the jugs. These are the jugs that have my seeds in them. Somewhere down in there. Too dark to see. But yep, those are my jugs with seeds. Probably grown good. That's spearmint. I guarantee you under there is some nice healthy spearmint. It's crazy. Oh, what fun it is to garden.